Hi everyone, welcome back to the TrueHost Academy channel. If you're looking to take your WordPress website or specific pages offline, you're in the right place. Today we'll guide you through the steps to unpublish your entire site or just individual posts and pages. Let's dive right in, but first, let's see some of the reasons one may want to unpublish their entire site or just individual posts and pages. Why unpublish a WordPress site? Typically, when you create a website on WordPress, you publish pages and posts to share them with visitors. However, there are situations where you might need to hide certain pages from view. This could be because you want to revamp your site's direction, or if a page was accidentally published. Here are some common reasons why you may want to unpublish a WordPress site. 1. Making updates. If you need to make significant updates to your site, you may want to unpublish certain pages or posts while you work on them. 2. Rebranding. If you are rebranding your website or changing your business focus, you may want to unpublish certain pages that no longer align with your new branding or messaging. 3. Temporary content. If you have time-sensitive content that is only relevant for a specific period, you may want to unpublish it once the event or promotion is over. 4. Security reasons. If you suspect that a page or post on your site has been compromised or contains sensitive information, you may want to unpublish it temporarily while you address the security issue. 5. Testing and experimentation. If you are experimenting with different layouts or content on your site, you may want to unpublish certain pages or posts while you test different configurations. Overall, unpublishing a WordPress site can be useful for managing your website content and making necessary changes without permanently deleting it. First, let's look at how to unpublish your entire WordPress website. Step 1. Login Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard with your admin credentials. Step 2. Go to Settings. Next, navigate to the Settings menu on the left sidebar and click on Reading. Step 3. Set to Private here. Check the box that says Discourage search engines from indexing this site. This won't make your site completely private, but it will hide it from search engines. To fully unpublish, you'll need to use a Maintenance Mode plugin. Step 4. Activate Maintenance Mode. Install a plugin like Maintenance or Coming Soon page in maintenance mode. Activate the plugin and follow the setup instructions to put your site in maintenance mode. This will effectively unpublish your website, showing a maintenance page to your visitors. Now, let's unpublish specific pages or posts. Step 1. Access all pages or posts. From your dashboard, go to either pages or posts, depending on what you want to unpublish. Step 2. Edit the page or post. Find the page or post you want to unpublish and click Edit. Step 3. Change the status. In the document settings on the right-hand side, locate the Status and Visibility section. Change the status from Published to Draft or Private. Step 4. Update finally, click Update. Your page or post will no longer be visible to the public, and there you have it. Unpublishing your WordPress website or specific pages and posts is quick and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.